Moderator Shri Asim Sarode ji, the Honorable Justice Kamlesha Nath ji, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, and my fellow concerned citizens. Good afternoon. What is the Forum for Fast Justice? It is a small body of determined spirits fired by an unquenchable faith in their mission, that is the delivery of fast justice. We are currently located in Mumbai and already have an impressive body of work in this city. We are now ready, having taken the first step, garnering experience and expertise to launch a nationwide campaign to achieve our goals. Ladies and gentlemen, when you take a badly wounded accident victim to a hospital and admission is denied, it is justice denied. When you approach the local municipality because the utility agency has stopped servicing you, it is justice denied. When you approach the courts for redressal and the court takes its own time, it is justice denied. Delayed justice is a synonym for injustice. Ladies and gentlemen, the Forum for Fast Justice is a chrysalis waiting to bloom and spread its wings. It is rather unfortunate that we have taken for granted that day will follow night, that justice will be delivered. After all, why not? We are the world's largest democracy. Yes, justice is being delivered 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 60 years late. So, what or who are we looking for in Forum for Fast Justice? What are our programs to remedy the situation? This is a fellow citizen and national issue, and we need the support of all of you sitting here. We need the support of the entire country from all its nooks and corners. I am very glad to see that at least 70 to 80 of the delegates have come from different parts of the country, and I am very thrilled to see their enthusiasm for a subject like judicial reforms. We have to spread the awareness and start a mass movement and achieve this goal of fast justice. Now, we alone in Mumbai cannot keep this lamp burning forever. To keep this lamp burning, we have to keep pouring oil in it. To correct this situation, the Forum for Fast Justice, as the next step, proposes to set up chapters across the length and breadth of the country. It is therefore necessary to spread the awareness for the cause. It is therefore necessary to sensitize the concerned citizens. It is therefore necessary to start a sustained campaign. It is therefore necessary to set up centers throughout the country. It is therefore necessary to help nurture such centers for a period of time. The Forum for Fast Justice therefore proposes, number one, to help set up at least 10 centers in the different parts of the country. We have a plan to set up at least 10 centers in different parts of the country this year, and we need your help, support and commitment. These centers will be set up in various cities and towns across the country. Each such center will be known as Society for Fast Justice. These will be independent social organizations NGOs working under the umbrella of Forum for Fast Justice. The forum will extend every possible help to form and register such societies and will also give a one-time monetary support of rupees 10,000 to each center after the society is registered. My friends, in your kit, you will find the application for registration of a society and the proposed draft of the constitution, which in the kit of those candidates, those delegates who have come from outside the countries, which you can examine, see, and then get in touch with us, all those of you who would like to form such centers in various parts of the country. The forum will coordinate the work of all such societies across the country and will work as a facilitator, friend, philosopher, and guide. It will channelize the efforts of all such societies to spearhead a nationwide campaign to achieve its goal in an effective manner. Forum will regularly organize conferences and meetings of all the centers for seeking feedback and facilitate interaction. The conference will chalk out the plan of action and fix the targets of each society and take stock of progress made every year. Now I have to make a point here. You see, in case of societies for fast justice, which will be working at the district and taluka level in towns and cities, it would be meaningful to enlarge and widen the scope of services and activities to include in the ambit of fast justice several objects which I read as follows. You know, the such societies will have to act for quick relief, particularly to the vulnerable and underprivileged class from the rural and semi-urban and urban poor communities. The lack of education, financial support, and the wherewithal to sail through their daily grind in the offices of the government and public authorities for their small and routine work that is theirs by right, guaranteed to them by the Constitution of Republic of India. To reiterate, justice to the armed army at the hands of the government and public authorities sitting in judgment on the matters concerning the citizens' life, liberty, and property. Now, in the official areas, that is in the areas where subordinate courts are there, districts and taluka places, the judicial reforms also means, and it applies to the government and semi-government institutions discharging semi and quasi-judicial functions such as gram panchayats, gram nyayalayas, fast-track courts, mobile courts, alternate dispute resolution fora, revenue, survey and land record offices, registrar of societies, charity commissioners offices, registrar of cooperative societies, registrar of assurances, and such other public offices. It will also include in its ambit spreading of consumer rights and right to information movement. In order to create awareness and generate debate among the intelligentsia and the common man on the social issues afflicting the society, conventions, seminars and workshops will be held. I have very important announcement to make. We at the forum therefore attach great importance to such events which the societies are expected to organize periodically. In order to promote holding of conventions, workshops and seminars by the societies, the forum will give financial support up to rupees 1 lakh a society. The forum has set up an annual award, that is annual award of rupees 1 lakh to recognize the committed individuals and the NGOs who have displayed extraordinary initiative towards judicial reforms in the country. The details of the financial assistance for setting up of societies holding conventions, and also the criteria and the rules for this award has been announced in the publication that you will find in your kit. Last but not the least, the forum has also decided to bring out a monthly bulletin from the next month itself to disseminate the information on the activities of the forum and the societies set up by it at the other centers, court judgments and the decisions by the center and the state, as well as by the parliament and the state legislatures. The editorial team will be headed by Advocate Mrs. Sumedha Rao, and she will be assisted by the forum. Is Mrs. Sumedha Rao there, please? I haven't seen her, but she is a very great activist fighting public interest litigation in the High Court. She has very kindly agreed to head the team of editorial team of this bulletin, and this editorial team, which will be headed by her, will be assisted by the forum. Ladies and gentlemen, whatever you do may seem insignificant to you, but it is most important that you do it. Ladies and gentlemen, I seek your support. Ladies and gentlemen, I know you will indulge me. Ladies and gentlemen, let us make justice as freely available as air and water. I thank you for your attention, ladies and gentlemen.